Welcome to my channel, YouTube channel Decode 103. Today I will demonstrate the automatic voltage regulator that is used in generator. This is a automatic voltage regulator which is not okay, and this is from Crompton Greaves single phase automatic voltage regulator. We here in Chandan Electronics will repair this automatic voltage regulator. This is out of order, and this one is repaired single phase automatic voltage regulator. So we welcomes you all. If you have automatic voltage regulator to repair, come in Chandan Electronics. We will repair it for you all. If you want to purchase new one, automatic voltage regulator is also available in Chandan Electronics, Dholbazza Bazaar, Naugachia, Bihar. You can also contact us for analog and digital design in dasjee project solution, Dholbazza Bazaar. Thank you for watching videos of my channel, YouTube channel Decode 103. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.